Hello, my name is Ernie Guerrero, Business Development Manager with Relevant Industrial. Today we'll be discussing the Crystal XP3i Digital Pressure Gauge Kit by AMETEK. This is a high accuracy digital pressure gauge that comes with different pump systems, fittings, and a carrying case. The gauge is available with multiple ranges up to 15,000 PSI. The gauge is intrinsically safe unit and is ultra rugged with a 0.05% accuracy of reading and has an option for 0.05% full scale or 0.02%. The accuracy is also not affected by temperature, which is very important in doing field validations. The unit also comes with Bluetooth and a USB connection, allowing it to connect to an app for setup. It also comes with cloud software that allows for shared files with colleagues. The unit is also smart to be able to give calibration reminders and send alerts when needed. Let's open the case and see what's inside. As you can see, it comes with your hand pump, a reference gauge for your hand pump, a strap if needed, and your crystal gauge. And it also has the fittings to connect to transmitters, be it gauge or DP. Again, this is the Crystal XP3i Pressure Gauge Kit by AMETEK. Contact your local relevant account manager or go to our website for more information.